How to fix challenge required on Instagram. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, if you're seeing this issue, then you have to launch your application. If you cannot launch your application, then you have to simply close the tab. So, close all the tab that is related with Instagram and try again logging into your account. In case you are logged into your Instagram account, you have to log out of it. So tap on 3-bar icon, scroll below, tap on log out. And once done, open your Instagram again and try and logging in. If you're having problem doing this from your Instagram app, you can also use a web browser. So open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in instagram.com, tap on 3-dot icon, click this desktop site, and from here, enter your username and password, tap on log in, and likewise get logged into your account and see if this fixes your problem. Now it also happens if your application is not updated. So for that, head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Instagram and make sure you see open instead of update. Once you do all this, all you have to do is restart your device. And once done, launch your Instagram application and this shall work. That is all for today's video and thank you for watching.